How about we try the Finnish polka? It's not the ending polka, it's not the concluding polka, it's actually a polka from Finland. Anyway, here we go. Let's not finish on this. Hein, do, off we go. And that's it. I finished the Finnish polka. Did you finish the Finnish polka? If you did, mahu. You got to the end of the video. That is amazing. Well done. I am so impressed with you. And now take a chill, have a little drink, a little cup on tea, maybe a little mai wadi, maybe a little something stronger, whatever suits yourself. Have a snack if you wish. Talk to whoever's in the house, or maybe you have a friend you'd like to text to say, I got to the end of the tune. Yes, this crazy idea of having a session in my sitting room is actually working out. And then when you're ready, click on the next tune in the playlist and let's continue our session. Yay!